So now guys, let's take a look at what we are going to be expecting for the day on our GBP JPY. So we are going to be doing an in-depth analysis on what GBP JPY is actually going to be giving us. So in order for us to predict right what market is actually going to be giving us for the week, we need to start our analysis from the higher time frame, which is our weekly time frame. We are going to do the analysis from the weekly time frame down to our 4-hour time frame and possibly take a look at our 1-hour time frame. Now, before we go ahead, to those of you that are yet to subscribe to the channel, be it you are new and you've not yet subscribed, make sure you do well to click on the subscribe button. Make sure you like and share. Make sure you make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that once we drop 1 or 2 updates, you would not miss out on any single updates. You will find the link to the Telegram channel in the comment section. Now, pay attention to this moment right here on your GBPJPY. What can you say the trend is on your GBPJPY? This is very clear and it is very simple. GBPJPY is in an uptrend move right here. We are in an uptrend move. That is our overall trend on GBPJPY. Now let's zoom it in right here. Market was able to give us this impulsive move, right? Within this impulsive move, we had a series of higher high and an higher low. Here comes the corrective phase. Within this corrective phase, market did give us a series of lower low and a lower high. All this series of higher high and an higher low, and also series of lower low and a lower high, is very much visible. Once you can drop down to your 4-hour time frame, you will see it very clearly. Now, this is also the impulsive move that market did give us. Here comes the corrective phase also, right? This is the corrective phase, which did give us a series of lower low and a lower high. The market was able to push up right here to give us new high. If you have to zoom it in, you'll see this pullback. Then this is also the high, new high that took out this previous high. Here comes the pullback, which is your higher low. Now, market is currently pushing up. So we should expect that push up to continue till market is able to take out this high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So what I'm trying to say is that a bullish move is what we should be expecting for the week on our GBPJPY. So if you are not yet in the buy on your GBPJPY, now is the best time for you to go in for the buy, and now is the best opportunity for you to go in for the buy, because in the long run, GBPJPY will push up and take out this high, thereby giving us a new higher high. So that movement we should look to grab between 250 pips. So you can see, if you can go in for the buy and hold it to take out this high, you'll be making nothing less than 250 pips. So this is one of the reasons why this week will be a bullish move for us on our GBPJPY. Let's zoom it in. 2 weeks ago, it was a bullish move. Last week, which is the week that just ended, it was also a bullish move. Now, this coming week, which is also next week, we should be expecting a bullish move on our GBPJPY. Now, down to our daily time frame. This is it also. Drop, push up, another drop, forming the head, push up. This is one more drop, which can see to be our right side shoulder. The market is currently pushing up, so we should expect the push up to continue and take out this side. Once it does that, right, then markets will likely give us a pullback and then a push up again. So above all, a bullish move for the week is what we should be expecting on our GBPJPY. If in case there's going to be any changes to this prediction that we just did, I will make sure I do the update and let you guys know. So if you did not want to miss out on the updates, it's very simple. Make sure you click on the subscribe button, like and share, make your comments, and also make sure you follow the Telegram channel so that you would not miss out on any single updates. You'll find the link to the Telegram in the comment section.